Y'all ever had the maple syrup sausage little breakfast things? Man, these things look so good. They smell good. About to get the grass cut this morning. Nice pretty day. I think Matt's on the way to wash the truck, so we're getting the day started. I know this video is picking up literally right after the last one ended. I kind of got tired last night and couldn't finish the video, but we got stuff planned for today. We got potentially a big reveal on the channel today, and I think we're fixing her headlights today as well. So that's been something that, you know, we've been trying to get done for a long time when, you know, things just kind of get away from us. So y'all need to stay tuned. Some great people, some great content on the way. But first, let me get the grass cut. Property ends in between those two trees right there. Those two trees right there. My property ends right in between there. And I saw a company cutting the other half the other day. So starting today, oh, that's not my job. Back at home, got the old bow tie sitting behind me. Got Matt over here washing up the Tahoe for the day. Hey, looking good. I always like the foam on it. Always looks kind of cool to me. But yeah, we're getting the Tahoe all washed up today, and then we're gonna go try and fix the headlights here in a little bit. So stay tuned for that. I'm like super tired right now for no reason. I don't know why. All right, I'm gonna make you guys a little bit of a deal. So obviously, bumper's gone, roll pan's going on, bumper's gone, and yes, you guessed it, bumper's gone. If this video gets 200 likes, that's a hefty number for the daily vlogs. But if this video gets 200 likes, I'll take my bumper off, and we'll
you're taking your bumper off.
We'll mob out with the no bumper squad. So let me know. 200 likes. So the goal today was to get our aftermarket headlights resealed, and we went to Home Depot, which you guys will see right now. We bought some silicone. I didn't know exactly what kind to get, so we bought a couple different kinds, like 10 bucks. And we were gonna reseal the headlights that we have for the Tahoe, if you guys remember these. What?
Nothing.
She's drinking wine.
Don't tell people.
Almost dropped it.
So for those of you here, actually, wow, that sucks. I guess that's all right. So for those of you that don't know, these are the headlights that we had for the Tahoe. I think they go this way.
Yes.
Right? So you got your use,
proud.
whatever. We got them, and they fog up like a lot. So huge shout out to whatever company makes these. I don't know what company it is, but they fog up. So we were gonna send them out to Southern Retrofit, and we probably still will do that to get these sealed up. But we were gonna have Josh look at it and see if we could seal them at home. The do-it-yourself headlight sealing, I guess. I don't know. I can't talk. I'm not good at talking with words and stuff. But we've run into a little bit of issue. Now we can do these and get these sealed, and hang on to them and put them back on the Tahoe. But we did find that the heat in these, as the one thing we did find out is that the paint is starting to warp a little bit inside. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but the paint is warping inside. You could see that just a little bit right there, just because of the heat of the headlights. So obviously Southern Retrofits can fix that, or we can just reseal them and let it continue to get worse. We haven't really decided what we're going to do yet, but I do know for sure that for the time being, we've taken the black trim pieces off the top of the lights, and we're going to put these on the Tahoe now with the stock headlights, because the stock headlights have these in chrome, and we've just plasti dipped them. Obviously this is going to look a lot better and match the grill. So as of right now, we're at least switching these out, and we're going to try and figure out a plan for those.
Wait, can I take a sip? Unscrew this. Oh, is it recording?
I found out the funniest thing yesterday. I didn't know that you could literally just kind of walk up. Well, I can't do it. Y'all can do it. Like, I didn't know you could just walk up and take these out. That blows my mind. Like, I want these, so I'm just gonna walk up and pop it out. Like, you take that side, I'll take this side.
Like, hey, thanks.
I didn't. Wow. I didn't know that. I don't know how it goes back in, but.
Great, it's broken.
Rip off the what? Yeah, get rid of the bug guard.
That's a nice bumper. I like that. Where'd you get that? Is that thing 2020?
It's camo, man. Can't even see it.
That's custom.
Now it's starting to turn into a pretty truck.
That's custom.
Slow.
No bumper.
Slowly but surely. Oh, you want to see the best part about his truck?
Oh,
yes,
100%.
Let's see it. Oh, you can just lift
Oh,
it.
his grill comes off.
Wow.
That's custom.
That's impressive.
That one thing right there is the only thing that holds it on real hard.
Is this legal?
What?
Of course it is.
That you can easily.
Like, what if you just like hit a bump and it's just like, eh?
Look. Am I right? Everything is legal until you get caught, right? Right?
Right.
Right, yeah.
That's
See?
what I go by.
All right.
For those of you wondering how I take my Instagram pictures, this is it. If y'all want to see more ass shots on the truck, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram.
Pose.
Truck Pose 2020. The
Truck Bros.
Truck Bros.
Truck Bros.
Truck Bros. Truck Bros.
Bro, I keep moving these
Truck
damn
hose.
fog lights and y'all keep placing them everywhere. Alright, now it's time to
Those aren't mine. They're not mine. They're not mine. No.
take a ride in the Duramax.
Those are his. Those are his fog lights. We're gonna take a ride in the No Bumper Gang.
Copyright music.
Copyright. My man knows. He knows. Got cold AC in here. This is going in tonight's video.
We're gonna make that.
We're watching this.
Yeah, that was the first one.
We're watching tonight's video. We're watching tonight's video while we're making tomorrow's video.
Just cut grass.
This is like videoception. All I need is an ice cold chocolate milk in my hand right now.
Yeah, you're missing your chocolate milk.
These are rough times. Rough times. You make you some chocolate milk? I might have to go buy one.
But
For those of you wondering, yes, I do still have wheel lights on my truck. I really miss them right now, but it's just the back ones that work. Because if you guys remember, I cut the fronts off. Dang, I need to get these back on, man. Oh man, it looks so good. I need to get those back on. What we got? What is this?
Alex, look at chicken minis. Look at my plate, is so cute.
Give me a grog. I got my
Homemade chicken minis.
hey, hold on, look, come here.
Try it. It's really good.
Are they?
Velveeta.
Baby, can you please come help me?
Y'all ever had homemade chicken minis?
Now they have.
Everybody eat. Oh, Chef Emma. Hey. Y'all don't eat like we eat. We eat good. We eat good. Man, finally made it back home. Man, this is like the third or fourth late night in a row. It's like 11:30 and I'm still gonna stay up and edit this video tonight, but you know, great end to another long weekend. It seems like very eventful weekend, that's for sure. One of the more eventful weekends I've had in a long time. But hope you guys are enjoying the content right now. If you haven't noticed already, I'm really putting some more time into my thumbnails, really trying just every day to step up my game in every aspect. So the grind doesn't stop. We're gonna keep it going. So that wide bow tie out. I'll see you guys later. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.